ibhayisekile kwa.
Taxi.
Solomlong babe.
Mabhasi babe. But that one it's this ship it's what is the shipment? Navigator.
Big four ship.
This one.
Four.
Holland, America line. This one is big, eh?
But this one is bigger, man.
Oh, it's bigger than ours, yeah,
Very big.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's very bigger than ours. It's very bigger than ours, right?
I gotta go there, right?
Welcome to Turkey.
Change car.
Okay, change car.
Change car shopping.
Okay.
Come on, monsieur.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, eh?
Benim baby.
Yeah. Oh, this one is big, baby. Huh?
Duty free shop.
City center, babe.
Oh, change car.
Abi bak arkası biz yapmadık abi.
Ha. Oh, başarım.
Valla biz yapmadık böyle.
Bundan ne yapacaklar?
Where is your passport?
Change car station. When I take us to each and every shop.
Oh, passing on.
First of you drop it necessary. They can delay the money is missed out each and every shop.
Hello.
This one for you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
The
Yeah.
shop says, baby, the money is go to each and every shop is for me. And that one is of biggest drop. This one, I don't think they are humble, is it?
It's for cruise. Cruise tour.
Tina, this one.
Madam, shopping, jewelry, leather, epic.
We actually wanna
Jewelry.
where wanna go, babe?
What do you want first? We have to find out which shop.
You don't want jewelry.
Jewelry.
Good, very good. Latin beer.
You don't want jewelry here.
Popular.
Popular.
Yeah.
So how much is chicken isn't it? Like those people. See those people there? There. There. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, even here. This is ours. Splendor of the seas.
We have to know.
Leather.
Can anybody leather, babe?
Moshi lo love you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you so much. Eh?
Thank you very much.
Moshi lo love you. Thank you so much. Eh?
Show your boarding pass, please.
Come, babe.
Did you come?
Eu voltei aqui, eu achei tão fácil.
Oh. Yeah.
Popular.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, so brothers.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Fun, thanks. How are you, man?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes.
See nice things here. See nice things here. Cool. Hello, babe. Wait. Okay. can see. Oh, that's nice. Eh? Did you see?
What is your job?
Yeah?
What is your job?
Me, at home. At home.
What do you do in home?
I've got a business.
On your business?
Shuttle services.
Chocolate service yapıyormuş.
Transport.
Hello, sweetie. How are you?
Say I'm fine. Something apagado, baby.
What do you do? You came on holiday.
They are nice. Delena, baby.
But again, I know my price, baby.
Apanya Delena, baby.
I know my price. How much is this?
Which one? Canadian diamond. This is which one? Blue diamond, also Canadian
This
diamond.
one.
Canadian diamond.
Yeah.
I think so about it maybe 33,000
33,000
American
euros.
dollars. American dollars.
American dollars. Yeah, 3,300.
No, 3,300. 33,000.
33.
Yes.
33,000.
Yes.
Oh, American dollars.
Yes.
Hey, that's a lot.
Cheap. Very cheap.
33,000.
Yes.
Princess.
Not cheap.
You know 33,000? Look. 4, 3, 3, 0, 0, 0.
Yeah.
33,000.
Yes.
In
Not
South
expensive.
Africa, that is too much money.
It's too much money in South Africa.
But how much is it in South African rands?
I don't know.
You don't know. You have to count it then.
You learn in South Africa, you living.
In South Africa.
Huh?
Do you speak Afrikaans?
No. I speak English only.
Only.
No Afrikaans.
I speak Afrikaans.
You speak, kan je Afrikaans praten?
Natuurlijk klaar maken. Alles is mogelijk, hè?
That's not Afrikaans.
Het is Nederland.
Nee, that's right.
Dat is
Yes.
90% zelf. Even proberen, mevrouw.
Very nice.
Dat is een 2 karat in de middelsteentjes. Canary kleuren diamant. Hè?
33,000, 18 current, yeah. 33,000 US dollars, babe.
This one, normally 33,000.
32,000 US dollars.
Label prices.
Hayır ben
That
37
is-
dolar dedim ona.
That is with VAT tax, with electricity tax.
You know how much is that, babe? 33,000 US dollars. It's a lot of money. A thousand US dollar is about 7,000.
What do you think? How much
A
you
thousand
spend?
US dollars, 7,000.
This is 200.
So
40,000.
7,000 times 33. 3.
Yours too much.
How much you spent? What do
No,
you think about it?
no, it's too much, man.
I have many ring.
No, don't worry.
Your maximum how much budget?
No, don't worry. Hey, what kind of business do you do? I mean, she did. She messed me up. You see. But this one is better. Turkey is nice than Greece. Yeah, it's very nice.
Is different.
Yeah, no, it's different. Turkey is nice than Greece.
Come on.
No, don't go there. Don't worry.
No, take a look, my brother.
No, don't worry.
No.
No.